Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. Today's reading is going to be the November love reading for you. So let us see how your overall energy is, Pisces, okay? If you want a personal reading with me, details are in the description box. All right, Pisces, this is your energy. Spirit guides and angels, please help me tap onto the overall energy of my Piscean friends, whoever are here with me, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, their overall energy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, let me do it twice. Ooh, okay. Four of Swords. I see some level of anxiety, some level of worry, some waiting, and yeah, some level of protection of self-esteem as well, coming up as someone, what this is telling me about your energy, Pisces, is that from outside you are like the Queen of Swords, very tough. You are like a coconut right now, okay? Very hard from outside, but from inside you are melting, melting, melting for someone. You are waiting for someone. You are praying to God that they are fine and that they approach you, but from outside you are like, I'm the Queen of Swords. All right, so fantastic. You're shielding your emotions. Basically, you are protecting your emotional self, but no matter what, you're waiting for someone eagerly, and sometimes you do have sleepless nights because of whatever is going on in your love life. Okay, what is going on in the love life of my Piscean friends, please? What is going on in the love life of my Piscean friends? Ooh, you could be dealing with Gemini, but then the Lovers card. Okay, so love connection had started and you were dealing with someone who's slightly older than you, or maybe, attitude wise more mature than you. Okay, but someone who's very beautiful, sexy, someone who has great body, or at least, if not great body in terms of the stereotypes, you are hugely magnetically attracted towards this person, and there was that attraction and there was that emotional, involvement as well. Both of you were very, very fond of each other. There was this time when you two really, really liked each other, but then came the chaos and confusion in this love connection. Something happened because of which you are now heavily confused. You are in such state whereby you cannot really go and ask this person whatever is going on, and even if you ask, there is no clarity right now. There is no clarity. So I want to clarify. Five of Swords. Why is Five of Swords energy over here? Why is there so much of confusion? Why is there chaos and almost quarrel, maybe arguments? um, Someone looking at somebody from afar, somebody who's, stalking somebody's social media, but not being upfront about their feelings and emotions. Why is this happening? Please, so clearly. Ooh, because whatever you had wished for did not happen. This chaos and confusion is happening because you had expected this person to come forward and offer commitment to you. Okay, and basically they had previously, it seems like, told you that I'll be coming to you once I will find myself holding good position in my office, or at my workplace. If I find a stable job, then definitely I'll get back to you, and we'll be together, we'll be working together, making money, and we'll be leading a happy life. Was some sort of a promise that somebody had done to you, and you were very much, very much expecting this person to come and offer you, that dreamy kind of love that you had always thought of, that you had always dreamed of. Okay, but this person, it seems like, did not come, and the expectation versus reality kind of situation happened. Okay, what is the feelings of this person towards my Pisces? What is the feelings of this person towards my Pisces? What is the feelings of this person towards my Pisces? Thank you very much. Hanged Man. They are now slowly and gradually thinking differently about you than before. Okay, thinking differently about you than before. They know that, they have almost missed a chance with you, but Having said so, this time around they want to come back and they want to be honest in their expression of love towards you. Basically, they are wanting to come back and let you know that, they now understand what exactly they feel for you, because they have recently been through this hanged man energy, which means looking at things in the newer light. Okay, so somebody wants to come back to you and somebody wants to express, his or her feelings towards you, wants to be honest about their feelings for you. Although they have held back for quite some time, they now want to come and express their love to you. They want to be transparent because they have been enlightened about the speciality of this connection. What is going to be their next move, please? What is going to be the next move? Ace of Swords, look at this. This is talking about honesty, openness. Honesty is the, main word which I'm hearing. So they want to be honest. They want to express their love to you. Ooh. And also this is talking about new beginning, and this is talking about Hierophant. You know what? Somebody who had ghosted you, somebody who had not treated you well in the past because of any reason, this person has very recently understood your value, your worth. This person finally actually had that moment of realization when they felt like Pisces had everything that I'd always wanted in my person. Or maybe, they realized that the ideal kind of person whom they wanted to enter in their life, in their love life, was actually different than what they wanted in reality. Okay, so basically what is happening to this person is that their beauty type, their type, which they had thought was their type, the type of partner that they always wanted, that image was there in their mind, and they were looking for the same kind of person. But then when you entered this person's life, they found you different. Hence they wanted to withdraw a little bit, because they felt like, my dream partner in my mind is different than Pisces. But then after they, started talking to you, after they started seeing you day by day, or after they started checking your Instagram pictures day by day, they started feeling, that actually what I wanted always was Pisces. That image in my mind was deceiving. My ideal type is not the one who's in my mind. My ideal type is actually Pisces. And now what they want to do, they want to come back, they want to reconcile, they want to have one more new beginning. Or maybe, this is the very first beginning of confession of love. But whatever it is, they are wanting to do it this time. And why do they want to do it? What sort of new beginning they are wanting? The new beginning that leads to marriage, that leads to commitment, because the Hierophant card is literally the husband in tarot deck. So Ace of Swords and the Hierophant card is a powerful combination, which is talking about your person coming back in order to talk about marriage straight away. So this is going to be their next action. They are coming and they are proposing you for marriage. For many of you, for others of you, they might want to come and plan, future together with you. You might find this person. For others of you, if it's not, if it's not going to be ring, then definitely it is going to be those endless talks surrounding, plannings for future, where you should be, whether you should be relocating, how many kids you should have, what do you want, a boy or a girl, what is it that you like to do. Okay, if you have to relocate, what are the things that you'd like to do? Come on, let's plan. Because I have this strong feeling that we are meant to be. So that kind of approach towards you is coming. Okay, so yeah, expect such changes to happen in the month of November. This is the reading for you, Pisces. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until the time I meet you again, I love you so much.